Another giveaway, tax time giveaway with Audiopipe. Let's see, we did an Audiopipe video with the guys from Audiopipe, breaking open an amp and them explaining it. Most of y'all don't watch till the end of the video, and we hit the giveaway at the end of the video. Not a lot of you like my videos lately either, so we're just going to cut to the point, and we're doing the Audiopipe giveaway, which has been running, but we're making a special video. You can win, bam, that whole package right there. 2 woofers, box, amp, and an amp kit from Audiopipe, 1500 watt amp with a basically 1500 watt amp kit with a 1500 watt speaker. And that can go right in your vehicle. How do you win? Let me tell you. Name, location, why you should win in the comments. Like the video and share the video on your social media, tagging Big Jeff Audio. That's it. And you can win a complete package. We will announce the winner with the rest of the giveaways on March 5th on our podcast, Big Sound by Big Jeff. And we will have on that night Bass with Kev, a YouTuber in the car audio scene. So, like the video, comment the video, share the video now, and then tune in 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time on March 5th for Big Sound by Big Jeff. And we're going to announce the Def Bunks winner, the Audiopipe winner, and the March Digital winner. A lot of giveaways going on. Check us out. Share this out. Let's break Facebook in half.